In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize labels and tags on Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Labels and tags are essential for organizing your tasks effectively, so let's dive right in and explore how to make the most of them. First, you need to access your board. Open the specific project or board within your Monday.com workspace where you want to manage your tags and labels. This could be a board dedicated to ongoing projects or even one focused on team tasks. Once you're in the board, you'll want to locate the column that acts as your tag or drop-down menu. This is usually a status column or a dedicated labels column, and it's where your labels will be housed. Now, here comes the fun part. Click directly into a cell in that column to open the drop-down menu. You'll need to look for the option that says Edit Labels or Manage Labels. By clicking on this, you'll be able to customize the list of available tags for the entire board, which is a great way to tailor your workspace to suit your workflow. Once you're in Label Management, you'll see all your existing labels. If you'd like to rename any of them to better fit your needs, simply click on a label's name area. For example, if you want to rename a label to reflect a specific project phase, like planning, or perhaps a priority level such as high, just type in your new label name and save your changes. If you find you need more options or tags, don't worry. Adding new labels is easy. Look for the plus sign or the Add New Label button. When you click on it, just type in the name of your new tag. This makes it readily available for selection within your workspace, allowing for greater flexibility in how you categorize your tasks. Once you have your labels set up, it's time to apply tags to your tasks. Simply click into the cell for any task row and select the appropriate label from your newly customized list. This will help create instant visual cues that can enhance both individual and team workflows. Now remember, assigning the right person or team to each task is crucial for accountability. To do this, click on the People or Owner column for the task you are working with. You will then see a list of individuals or teams you can assign. Select the correct account to ensure the task gets to the right hands. This helps in managing responsibilities effectively and keeps everyone on the same page. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily utilize labels and tags on Monday.com to streamline your project management process. Experiment with different tags to see what works best for your team, and don't hesitate to adjust as needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you create a more organized workspace on Monday.com.